skin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, it's going to be what's in my college bag vlog. So it's been a while since I filmed a vlog like this, so I really miss you guys, and of course I really miss vlogging and filming vlogs like this talaga. This is one of my favorites. But before we start this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also guys, comment down below kung ano yung mga videos na gusto nyo pang makita dito sa YouTube channel ko. And of course guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Medyo malapit na nating ma-hit ang 500 subscribers. So ayoko nang magdadaldal pa. I'm really excited to start this video. So without further ado, let's go and hop onto the video. So this is my college bag. So this is what it looks like from the side, from the back, from the other side, and in front. So before we start, kung anong laman nitong bag na to, if you guys follow me on my social media accounts, and if you guys are loyal here on my YouTube channel, if you watches my vlog, you guys know that I really love bag, and I'm kind of a bag collector. I have a lot of bags, and yun nga, kung nanonood kayo lagi ng mga vlogs ko, especially the college diaries, I'm going to insert a picture here. Probably nakita nyo na tong bag na to a lot of times here on my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday, and on Monday, August 12, 2024, it's going to be our first day of school, and I'm second year college na this school year. I'm in my sophomore year na guys, so sobrang bilis. And ayun nga, as I've said guys, I'm a bag lover and I'm a bag collector. So I have a lot of bags. So nung freshman year ko, sobrang dami kong bags. Ginagamit ko sila depending on my fashion sense that day. And also, syempre, depende din kung gaano ka busy that day, kung gaano kadami yung kailangan kong dalhin sa school, and depending on my mood, what I like and what I love that day, what I prefer. So first, I have here my Anello bag. I-insert ko na lang here yung picture. So yeah, yan, ginagamit ko yan guys kapag sobrang busy but I still want to be stylish that day. So yeah, buhay pa rin yan hanggang ngayon, and kasama pa rin yan sa gagamitin ko. I have a lot of bags talaga, lalo for college. And second, I have here my Lacoste green bag. So ayun guys, my course in University of Santo Tomas is CTHM, and our color is green and blue. And also my favorite color is green, that's why I bought that para terno sa uniform ko. And third, I also have my blue Lacoste bag. I really love Lacoste. So yeah, green and blue nga yung course ko, so I also have the blue. And for the fourth one guys, I just want to share this. So I have this. So ito guys is my pink Lacoste bag. So recently ko lang talaga to binili. Isa to sa pinakabago kong bag, and wala siyang laman ngayon. So why am I showing this to you? Kasi guys, dapat in this vlog, ang ipapakita ko sa inyong school bag ko is this pink. Kasi ito yung pinakabago kong school bag. And sa Monday nga is first day of school na namin. And actually, ang gagamitin ko sa Monday na school bag is this one. Kasi nga, it's my newest school bag, and also, spacious din talaga to. But, ang ipapakita ko sa inyong bag dito sa video na ito is yung yellow na hawak ko kanina. Because that's the prettiest and the most expensive school bag that I have now in college. So, that's the best bag that I have. Kaya yun yung ipapakita ko. And also guys, ako kasi, I have this attitude na every school year, talagang yung bag ko, there's a theme in it. Like, pinapartner ko talaga yung bag ko sa makeup kit ko, kung anong magiging itsura ng mga notebooks ko, ng wallet ko, ng pencil case ko, everything. So, last year kasi ang theme ko is dark and more on Louis Vuitton and expensive things. But this school year, I don't know, hindi naman nag-change yung style ko, but I kind of prefer kikay things, and I love light colors such as those pink. Kaya yung mga gamit na nakalagay dun sa yellow bag ko na ipapakita ko sa inyo in this vlog, terno yon dun sa pink na bag na pinakita ko sa inyo. Kaya huwag kayong magtaka. So, ayun guys, mag-start na talaga tayo. So, ayun nga guys, napakita ko na sa inyo tong bag na to. And fun fact guys, last na lang, bago tayo mag-start dito sa video na to. Yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, this is one of my most beautiful bag overall. And syempre sa school, for me, ito yung pinakamaganda kong bag. And ito nga yung pinaka-expensive. This is my own money. And also, this is my first college bag guys, nung freshman year ko. Ito yung unang-unang bag na binili ko sa lahat-lahat ng pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon. And ayun guys, so ito yung papakita ko kasi may history tong bag na to, and this is my favorite. So let's start na nga guys, so let's go. So, nakita niya naman na kanina sa labas kung anong itsura niya. So, now, let's move on kung anong itsura niya naman sa loob. So, this is what it looks like. I don't know kung makikita ninyo, but wait. Yan, medyo hindi niyo siya makikita. But yeah. So, isa-isahin natin guys kung anong laman niya. So, let's start sa pinakamalaking part ng bag ko. So, let's start with the makeup kit. So, this is my makeup kit. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, terno to dun sa bag na pinakita ko kanina. So, medyo kikay siya. So, this is my makeup kit for school. Ang laki niya guys. So, yeah. Nabili ko to from Landmark. I'm a Landmark girl. So, this is my makeup kit. And isa-isahin natin kung anong laman niya. So, let's start. So, buksan na natin. And, ang una ko nakikita dito na nakalagay, guys, is my alcohol. So, alcohol, you guys know, syempre, I always retouch. So, kailangan talaga, meron tayo laging alcohol sa school and wherever we go. And second is, I have here my perfume. So, this is my perfume. So, this is Victoria's Secret Bombshell Paradise. And napakalaki niya, guys. So, ayun. But guys, this school year kasi, isa sa pinakamalaking mistake ko nung freshman year ko is, kulang na lang dalhin ko na yung buong kwarto ko. Dahil nga, syempre, freshman pa lang ako and gusto ko, sure ako, nadala ko lahat. But this second year college, I'm trying na yung laman ng bag ko is talagang mga pinaliit na bagay na lang. Like, kung kayang ilipat sa maliit na bottle, ililipat ko. And also, yung mga nilagay ko dito sa school bag ko ngayong sophomore year, yun talaga yung mga gamit na talagang gagamitin ko talaga dun sa araw na yon. And talagang, alam mo yun, yung ayoko na magdala ng mga kaek-ekan na hindi naman kailangan. So, eto, dadaling ko lang to sa first week. But, meron akong binili from Shopee. So, I think this is what we call perfume atomizer. I'm not sure. May laman to guys, pero ibang pabango. So, ayun nga guys, para mas magaan. Kasi guys, mas gusto ko na talagang magaan yung bag ko. And yun nga, yung mga kailangan na lang talaga. But ibang perfume to. And ito na yung dadaling ko sa mga next days para magaan syempre. So, yeah. And for the third thing na laman na tong makeup bag ko, of course, I have here my... Do you guys see it? My powder. So, yeah. Pang retouch. And for the fourth, we have here my liquid blush on. So, this is Green Therapy Blush Serum. So, mabibili mo to guys sa Shopee, sa TikTok. So, ayan. Yun yung gamit ko din ngayon. Actually, almost lahat na pinapakita ko guys, yun yung mga gamit ko right now. And for the fifth one, I have here my lip tint. So, again and again, if you guys are loyal, you guys know this lip tint. So, this is the Ever Belena Blush Rush in the shade Toast of New York. So, yun. I have here my lip tint. And for the sixth one, na laman na tong makeup bag ko, we have here this one. So, this is the Slick Stick. So, yun guys, if you guys are watching my YouTube always, alam nyo na yung hair ko lagi yan naka-gel. So, this is what I use. And kapag pasukan namin, insert ko dito yung picture, nakaban ako ng pang flight attendant. So, basically, parang ganito din, pero nakaban yung likod. So, sobrang need ko talaga to. So, every retouch, syempre, not just the face, syempre kasama din yung hair. And for the seventh, we have this face trio from Ever Belena. So, ayan. At eto naman guys, ginagamit ko lang naman dito is yung highlighter. Nilalagay ko siya sa mata ko and dito sa nose ko. So, that's the shining shimmering that I use. And for the eighth item, we have here a tissue. So, ayan, tissue dahil hindi naman laging may tissue sa CR namin. So, bidet lang. So, we need some tissue. And I'm planning din na maglagay dito ng sanitary pads. But, sa pasukan na lang yun. And matagal pa naman bago yung period ko. And for the ninth, we have here my lipstick. I don't know. But, yeah, optional lang to kung dadaling ko. Kasi, I'm kind of practicing makeup na talaga lately. So, tinatry kong patungan yung lip tint ko nito. And it's like color brown. So, this is Pink Flash Lip and Chic Duo Matte Tint. So, ayun guys. Minsan ko lang to gamitin. But, minsan dadaling ko siya. But, optional lang. And, ayun. And for the 10th, we have here panali ng buhok. So, just in case lang na kailangan. And also, guys, isa sa mga optional na pwede kong dalhin this school year is a lip gloss. But, hindi ko na siya nilagay dito kasi hindi ko naman siya laging ang dadalhin. Kagaya na itong lipstick na to nga, hindi ko siya everyday dadalhin. It depends on my makeup that day kung pakak. Kasi hindi naman everyday pakak dahil sobrang busy ng college, guys. Minsan wala na talagang time for those things. And ayoko nga magdala ng mga hindi naman need. And also, guys, this second year college, puro whole day na talaga yung pasok namin. As in, whole day na nga. So, I'm planning na magdala ng toothbrush and ng toothpaste because I'm taking a good care of my teeth dahil nga I want to be a flight attendant, so it's a must. And for the last, guys, bukod dun sa panale, pang 11, we have this hairspray. So, yeah. This is a hairspray. Kasi guys, lately, I've been so obsessed with curling my hair. Insert ko dito yung picture. But, yun nga, dahil nga sobrang busy ng college, bukod sa makeup, syempre, yung pag-curl natin ng hair, hindi naman all the time, may time pa tayong mag-curl, and mag-effort pa tayong mag-curl dahil nagmamadali and all. Kaya optional lang din to guys, dadaling ko lang to kapag curly yung hairstyle ko that day. But yeah, since first day namin sa Monday, that this is going to be my hairstyle. And I'm really, really obsessed with curling my hair. So basically, yun yung laman na tong makeup kit ko. So, itong makeup kit na to guys nga is from Landmark. And may mga idadagdag pa ako dito or may mga ibabawas pa. So, kung anong laman ito, napapalitan siya guys. Kasi nga, it depends on the day as always. And everyday naman ako nag-aayos ng school bag ko. Kaya, yun, everyday din siya mapapalitan. So, we're done with the makeup kit. And also guys, if you guys are loyal nga to my YouTube channel, you guys know I'm a planner girl. So, when I'm in my freshman year guys, I'll be honest, dala ko talaga yung planner ko every single day. So, my planner is yung from Starbucks na color pink. So, sobrang laki nun. Mag-insert ako dito ng picture para alam ninyo. So, sobrang laki niyan. And yun nga, sobrang mahilig nga ako sa planner, diba, in journal. So, dala ko yan every single day nung freshman year ko. And ang bigat niya. So, ngayon guys, hindi ko na siya dadalhin ngayong second year kasi isusulat ko na lang yung mga things to do ko sa cellphone ko. Itatype ko na lang siya. And then, pag uwi ko, dun ko siya i-organize sa planner ko kasi nga, ang bigat. So, let's move to the next na laman ng bag ko. So, yun nga, hindi ko na dadalhin yung planner. So, for the next one, I have here my notebook. So, I'm going to show you. So, this notebook naman, guys, syempre, college. So, this is my notebook. It's color violet, and it's from Landmark again. I'm a Landmark girly. So, ayan siya, guys. Nung first semester ng freshman, color purple din, kung napanood nyo yun sa dati kong vlog. And nung second sem naman, color pink. And ngayon, purple na naman tayo. So, from Landmark nga to because I'm a Landmark girly. And I'm also a big fan of Kuromi, if you guys know, kung pina-follow niyo ako sa Instagram. Kaya, dinikit ko yung sticker dito ni Kuromi para cute-cute, you know. And yeah, this is my notebook. Wala pa nakasulat dahil first day pa lang namin sa Monday. And also guys, dahil nga ayoko na ng mabigat sa bag, hindi ko na dinadala yung isang buong color yellow pad ko. Kaya nag-ano na lang ako guys, nagpunit na lang ako ng 5 pieces nung yellow pad. So, ganyan na lang yung ginagawa ko. And then nilalagay ko siya sa likod nitong notebook ko. Yun nga guys, para sa mga college student, anumang year ninyo, magdala pa rin kayo ng yellow pad para hindi kayo nakaasa sa hingi. And also, may mga prof pa rin talaga na hindi fan ng, alam nyo na, yung sa cellphone magsasagot ng mga tasks or quizzes or exams. So, yung iba gusto pa rin talaga ng yellow pad. Kaya, always be ready. So, magdala kayo nun. So, yeah. Nga pala guys, extra things lang dahil nga yung bag ko na gagamitin on Monday and sa mga susunod is yung color pink na pinakita ko kanina. I have this super duper cute keychain of Kuromi na isasabit ko dun sa bag na yon kasi nga I collect Kuromi as well. So, yeah. Isasabit ko to doon, but yeah. And for the next, extra lang to guys hindi talaga to kasama. And for the next, this one, kung sa Manila kayo nag-aaral or kahit saan, di ba, mapapansin niyo yung mga college guys, yung bag nila, lagi talagang may nakasabit na ganito. So, ayan. Ito yung pang-ipit sa buhok na sobrang uso. And I have this in a lot of colors. So, ginaganito nila yan, no, ng mga college. Tapos, di ba, it's super duper cute. So, yeah. Actually, hindi ko talaga ito masyado ginagamit sa hair ko, yung clip na yan. More on, dinidikit ko lang talaga siya dyan. And ayun nga, I have my keychain na Kuromi. So, yun. Extra lang siya, guys, So, ayun nga, guys. Yung flower clip na yun, I have those in different colors. And tineterno ko din siya sa mga bags ko and dinidikit ko siya. But, yeah, ginagamit ko rin naman siya sa hair ko sometimes. So, let's move on to the next na laman nitong bag ko. So, for the next one, I have here a book. So, if you guys know, alam nyo yan, I'm also a book lover and I really love reading books. So, this is the book that I've been reading lately. So, its title is How to Become a Straight A Student. So, I've been aiming to be a Dean's Lister or manifesting, guys, to be a cum laude. So, pero kung di man ibigay, it's okay. But, I've been manifesting that. You guys know I'm a perfectionist. So, I've been reading this book this summer. And ang page ko na is, I'm on the page 51 na, guys. So, eto naman, guys, book. Talagang nagdadala ako ng book. Why? Kasi po, if you guys know, uwian ako from Manila to Cavite, Cavite to Manila. So, ang biyahe ko, it depends. But, yung pinaka-safe na oras ng biyahe ko is 2 hours and 30 minutes o kaya naman 3 hours. 3 hours na yung pinakamatagal na pwede kong biyahihin kapag sobrang traffic. So kapag nasa biyahe ako guys papuntang school o kaya lalong-lalo pag pauwi, minsan tulog ako sa biyahe and minsan naman nakikinig ako ng music. And minsan naman, ang ginagawa ko is, kung hindi ako tulog or hindi ako nakikinig ng music, nagbabasa talaga ako ng libro sa biyahe habang nakikinig pa rin ng mga jazz. So, you know, para naman yung oras, hindi siya nasasayang. So, I've been learning some things. So, ito yung next na laman ng bag ko. And for the next one, we have our pencil case. So, for my pencil case, ito lang yung pencil case ko. It's very, very simple. It's just a color black pencil case, and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong laman nito. So, ito yung gamit ko since nung freshman ako. Hindi na ako bumili ng bago kasi okay na okay pa naman siya. So, first, we have here a red ball pen. Hindi naman na ito laging kailangan, but since meron naman ako, why not magdala tayo? And next, I have here a black sign pen. So, yan. I really, really love writing as well. And I also have here my another ball pen. So, ito yung medyo mura kong ball pen. And next, meron ulit akong sign pen na paubos na, and inuubos ko na lang din talaga siya. So, 4 na ballpen lang yung dala ko. Nung freshman ako guys, halos 10 yung dala ko. And now, I don't bring that much na nga dahil ayoko na nga ng mabigat. And for the next one, we have here a katingko. So, if you guys are in college, alam nyo yan, sobrang importante ng katingko kasi pag masakit yung ulo natin, masakit yung katawan, lalo yung mga dito ko guys, lagi yung masakit pag may pasok dahil sa biyahe. Like all the lamig. And also, nakaheels ako kaya ang sakit talaga ng tiyan ko. Pag masakit yung tiyan, lahat ng masakit or pag nahihilo, amuyin mo to. So, kailangan natin ng katingko. Paubos na siya guys, but bibili na ako. And for the next, I love highlighter guys. Almost lahat ng laman ng bag ko is may meaning talaga and may use talaga siya. And I love those things. So, I'm a highlight girly. So, I have here a pink one. Yan yung pinaka ginagamit ko sa lahat ng highlighter ko na color. And next, we have here the green. Yan. And we have here the purple. Ito yung pinaka-least na ginagamit ko. So, 3 na lang. Nung freshman ako, guys, I used to bring 5 to 6 highlighters. But now, I only bring kung ano yung ginagamit ko at magagamit ko. Kasi nga, ayoko na ng mabigat. And for the last one, I have here a scissor. Kasi kailangan pa rin naman siya sa college. And minsan, pag may hindi ka mabuksan. So, basically, yun yung laman ng pencil case ko. And wala na siyang laman. So, for the next, medyo malapit na tayo matapos, guys. I have here, of course, hindi mawawala yung wallet. So, etong wallet na to, guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, terno to dun sa bag ko na pinakita ko kanina. So, pareha sila ng color, di ba? So, this is Guess. And hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung anong laman nito. Kasi, bukas ko pa makukuha yung baon ko. And I'm very, very excited dahil magkakapera na tayo ulit. So, yeah, ayan. Wala siyang laman pa ngayon. Medyo barya-barya pa lang. Yeah. So, yeah. We have our wallet. And of course, dala din natin yung phone natin, which is I'm using it right now. And ang phone case niyan is Starbucks. And for the next one, what's the connection of that Starbucks? I-insert ko dito yung picture. So yeah. Ito yung next. So I have here my AirPods. So yeah, it's a Starbucks and i-insert ko dito yung picture. Terno din siya guys sa phone case ko. So yeah, I love Starbucks. Alam niyo yan guys, kung loyal kayo sa YouTube channel ko and if you follow me on my social media accounts, you guys know, I'm a big fan of Starbucks. Halos lahat talaga ng laman ng bag ko guys, no? Yun talaga yung mga hilig ko, may use talaga siya, and talagang, yun talaga yung mga favorite ko madalas. And ayun, medyo malapit na tayo matapos. For the last one na nakikita kong laman ng bag ko is of course, we have here, we have here this is my charger. So, syempre, kailangan may dala tayong charger dahil mahaba ang biyahe natin. Also, guys, I have a electric fan pala for school, pero hindi ko na siya ipapakita sa inyo kasi hindi ko siya dadalin muna ngayon kasi I'm saving money kasi may gusto akong bilhin na electric fan na medyo expensive but matagal malobat and talagang matibay. So, tsaka na yun in the future. But yeah, basically, wala nang laman yung bag ko na to. Ayan, wala na guys. Kita nyo naman. So, yeah. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos sa vlog na to kasi meron pa tayong dala. So, yeah. And yung dito naman guys, walang laman to. Kasi ito, nilalagyan ko lang to ng mga pinakakailangan ko kapag nagmamadali ako. Minsan, lip tint, o kaya receipt, o kaya pamasahe ko sa tricycle, sa bus, sa jeep, para hindi na tayo kukuha pa sa ilalim. But basically, yun lang yung laman nung bag ko. And yun nga, wala na siyang laman ngayon. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos kasi meron pa akong mga dala. So, yeah. Okay, now let's move on dun sa mga bagay naman na hindi ko nilalagay sa bag but hawak ko. For the next one, we have my water bottle. So, it's an aqua flask. Before, nung senior high ako, I used to have a aqua flask na napaka-colorful, napaka-bright pink. But now, I choose black para bagay na lang siya sa lahat. So, ito, syempre, hindi ko siya nalalagay sa bag. But, kapag nakalakos ako or naka-anelo, malalagay ko siya sa loob. Pero, I think this school year, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa loob ng bag kapag wala na siyang laman kasi nakakasira ng bag kapag sobra-sobrang bigat. And for the next one, I have here my Chanel sweater. Kasi guys, sobrang lamig sa biyahe. And also, syempre, maulan. And also, gabi na rin yung uwian ko. Minsan naman, sobrang aga. Like, madaling araw, umaalis na ako. Ginagabi na rin ako ng uwi. Sobrang lamig sa classroom. So, everything. So, ayan. This is my Chanel sweater na nakita nyo na to sa vlogs ko kung nanonood kayo lagi sa YouTube channel ko. So, ayan. But yun nga, yun lang din yung medyo downside dito sa bag na to. Hindi mo malalagay lahat kasi nga medyo maliit talaga siya, guys. But kapag nakalakos ako, which is yung gagamitin ko na pinakita ko sa inyo doon medyo malalagay ko talaga siya. And for the next, syempre hindi mawawala ang suklay. So ayun, ito pa rin yung suklay ko. So yeah, medyo hindi ko lang siya napakita kanina. But yeah, we have here our suklay. And for the last one, nasa last na tayo agad. Oh my god. For the last one, I have here my umbrella, my Versace umbrella. So yeah. Eto guys, nakita nyo na rin siguro to dun sa vlog ko nung 18th birthday gift ko. So ayan guys, this is my Versace umbrella. Buhay pa siya. Syempre, sabi ko nga sa inyo, sa college ko siya gagamitin. And I can't believe nandito na ako sa moment na yon. So, this is my Versace umbrella. Nagamit ko na to nung freshman year ko. Sobrang tibay niya. As in, guys, hindi siya babaliktad or lilipa rin. Sobrang tibay niya. But yeah, ito yung mga bagay talaga na hindi ko malalagay sa bag ko, lalo doon sa yellow bag. Pero sa ibang bag naman nalalagay ko siya. But yeah, itong tatlo na to. But ang ginagawa ko, guys, kapag itong yellow bag yung dala ko, nilalagay ko yung Versace umbrella ko here. Actually, terno sila. It's very, very fashionable. Look, ginaganyan ko siya. Ayan, kaya lang ang bigat niya talaga. And then, ito, minsan sinasabit ko din dyan. And also, yun nga, ito, hawak ko na lang tong aqua flask ko. So, that's what I do. Pero, kapag naka-anelo ako o kaya nakalakos ako, of course, malalagay ko tong Chanel ko na sweater, malalagay ko rin tong payong ko, and minsan malalagay ko rin yung aqua flask ko, lalo kapag wala ng laman. But talagang sa lahat ng bag ko, ito nga yung pinakamaganda, pinaka-expensive, and my favorite. But ito yung pinaka-isa sa mahirap dalhin kasi nga, gaganituhin mo lang siya guys, and ayun nga, hindi mo malalagay lahat. So, mga school things lang, but yung mga stuff na needs pa, hindi ko mailagay, kaya hindi siya sobrang spacious. So, that's the hassle. So, basically, that's it for this vlog. So, yun yung laman ng college school bag ko. And yeah, wish me luck, guys, for this school year. I'm very excited. And guys, sobrang dami kong ipopost na vlog, na self-care vlogs. And of course, we're back on the college diaries. So, yeah. And also, wish me luck talaga, guys, for this school year. I have a lot of plans, goals, and dreams for this school year. And I hope talagang maging masaya ulit siya kagaya ng freshman year ko, manifesting that. And we're gonna make it happen. And ayun, I'm so excited to meet my friends again, my USTE friends. And yeah, wish me luck guys and pray for me for this school year. We're manifesting and praying for the best grades, stable mental health, happiness, peace, confidence, and yeah, God bless us all. So, basically, yun yung laman ng bag ko, and that's it for this vlog. So, ayun nga guys, stay tuned. Sobrang dami kong vlogs na ilalabas. And ayun na nga guys, I really hope, that's it nga, I really hope na you enjoy watching this vlog as much as I do really enjoy showing you what's in my bag and filming this vlog. So again, please don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment down below guys kung anong mga vlogs yung gusto nyo pang makita sa akin. Like, go suggest. Dahil medyo naubusan ako ng contents bukod sa college diaries ko and self-care vlogs ko, weekly diaries. Para maiba naman, go recommend some vlogs. So yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Malapit na natin ma-hit yung 500. Sana ma-hit na natin. So ayun guys. And see you on my next vlog. And yeah. Goodbye. Mwah.
Season of art.